In a world where technology is evolving at lightning speed, the quest for passive income has never been more exciting. Today, we're diving into the realm of AI-powered investments that promise to unlock new financial opportunities in 2025. With artificial intelligence transforming industries and creating innovative solutions, savvy investors are looking to harness this technology to generate income with minimal effort. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 AI-powered investments that can help you build a sustainable income stream while you focus on what truly matters in life. From cutting-edge platforms to revolutionary tools, each investment on our list is designed to leverage the power of AI, making it easier than ever to grow your wealth. Stay tuned as we unveil these game-changing opportunities that could redefine your financial future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you won't want to miss these insights into the future of passive income. Number 7. Seed Invest. Seed Invest stands out as a premier equity crowdfunding platform, allowing investors to back startups and emerging companies. With a focus on high-quality investment opportunities, Seed Invest curates its offerings, ensuring that only the most promising ventures make it to the platform. This rigorous vetting process sets it apart from many competitors, but it also means fewer options for investors seeking diversity. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy for both seasoned investors and newcomers to navigate, while its educational resources empower users to make informed decisions. However, compared to higher-ranked platforms, Seed Invest has a more limited selection of industries, primarily focusing on tech and consumer goods. While it excels in quality, the lack of variety may deter those looking for niche investments. As we move up the list, you'll discover platforms that not only offer a broader range of investment opportunities, but also incorporate advanced AI features to enhance the crowdfunding experience, making them more appealing for diverse investor profiles. Number 6. 3 Commas. 3 Commas is a versatile automated cryptocurrency trading bot that caters to both novice and experienced traders. With its user-friendly interface and a plethora of features, it allows users to create custom trading strategies using a variety of technical indicators. One standout feature is its Smart Trade tool, which enables users to set take-profit and stop-loss orders simultaneously, maximizing potential gains while minimizing risks. However, while 3 Commas offers a robust set of tools, it ranks at number 6 due to its subscription-based pricing model, which can be a barrier for beginners. Additionally, while it supports multiple exchanges, the bot's performance can vary significantly depending on market conditions and the chosen trading strategy. In contrast, higher-ranked bots on our list provide more advanced AI-driven analytics and automated portfolio management, making them more appealing for those seeking a hands-off approach. As we progress, you'll discover trading bots that not only simplify the trading process, but also leverage cutting-edge technology to enhance profitability. Number 5. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a stalwart in the healthcare sector, known for its consistent dividend payouts and robust financial health. This AI-enhanced dividend stock leverages advanced analytics to optimize its product lines and streamline operations, ensuring sustainable growth. With a long history of increasing dividends, it appeals to income-focused investors seeking stability. What sets Johnson & Johnson apart is its diverse portfolio, spanning pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products, which mitigates risk and enhances revenue streams. However, it ranks at number 5 due to its slower growth rate compared to higher-ranked stocks that are more aggressively leveraging AI for innovation and market expansion. While Johnson & Johnson offers reliability, it may not provide the same explosive growth potential as the stocks that follow. As we delve deeper into our list, you'll discover AI-enhanced dividend stocks that not only promise steady income, but also capitalize on cutting-edge technology to drive significant capital appreciation, making them more attractive for forward-thinking investors. Number 4. AeroFarms. AeroFarms is a pioneering smart agriculture investment that specializes in vertical farming, utilizing aeroponic technology to grow crops without soil. This innovative approach not only conserves water, but also maximizes space, allowing for year-round production of fresh greens in urban environments. With a commitment to sustainability, AeroFarms employs advanced data analytics and AI to monitor plant health and optimize growth conditions, ensuring high yields and quality. What distinguishes AeroFarms is its scalability and potential to revolutionize food production in densely populated areas, addressing food security challenges. However, it ranks at number 4 due to the high initial capital investment required for setup and the ongoing operational costs associated with maintaining such advanced technology. In contrast, higher-ranked smart agriculture investments may offer more immediate returns or broader market applications. As we continue our exploration, you'll encounter investments that not only leverage cutting-edge technology for efficiency, but also promise significant growth potential in the rapidly evolving agricultural landscape, making them more appealing for forward-thinking investors. Number 3. Upstart. Upstart is a leading AI-powered peer-to-peer lending platform that revolutionizes the way borrowers are assessed and funded. Utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms, Upstart evaluates creditworthiness beyond traditional credit scores, considering factors such as education, employment history, and income potential. This innovative approach allows for more accurate risk assessments, enabling borrowers with limited credit histories to access loans at competitive rates. What sets Upstart apart is its commitment to financial inclusion, making it an attractive option for younger borrowers and those looking to build their credit. However, it ranks at number 3 due to its relatively higher interest rates compared to some traditional lending options, which may deter cost-sensitive borrowers. In contrast, higher-ranked platforms may offer lower rates or more diverse lending options, appealing to a broader audience. As we delve deeper into our list, you'll discover peer-to-peer lending platforms that not only harness AI for smarter lending decisions, but also provide enhanced borrower experiences and investor returns, making them more compelling choices in the evolving financial landscape. Number 2. Betterment. Betterment is a premier robo-advisor that simplifies automated investing through its intuitive platform and personalized financial planning tools. With a focus on goal-based investing, Betterment allows users to set specific financial objectives, such as retirement or buying a home, and tailors investment strategies accordingly. Its advanced algorithms continuously optimize portfolios, ensuring that investments align with market conditions and individual risk tolerance. What distinguishes Betterment is its tax loss harvesting feature, which helps investors minimize tax liabilities by strategically selling losing investments. Additionally, its user-friendly interface and educational resources empower investors to make informed decisions. However, it ranks at number 2 due to its management fees, which, while competitive, can add up for larger portfolios compared to some lower-cost alternatives. In contrast, the top-ranked robo-advisor offers even more comprehensive features or lower fees, appealing to a wider range of investors. As we explore further, you'll discover automated investing solutions that not only enhance portfolio performance, but also provide exceptional value and flexibility for today's savvy investors. Number 1. Zillow Offers. Zillow Offers stands out as the leading AI-driven real estate platform, revolutionizing the way buyers and sellers interact in the housing market. Utilizing advanced algorithms, Zillow provides instant home valuations and personalized recommendations, streamlining the buying and selling process. Its innovative iBuyer program allows homeowners to receive cash offers for their properties within days, eliminating the traditional hassles of listing and showings. What sets Zillow Offers apart is its vast database and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both seasoned investors and first-time homebuyers. The platform's AI capabilities analyze market trends and property data, ensuring accurate pricing and informed decision-making. Additionally, Zillow's extensive resources, including mortgage calculators and neighborhood insights, empower users to navigate the real estate landscape confidently. However, while Zillow Offers excels in speed and convenience, it may not always provide the highest offers compared to traditional sales methods. As we conclude our exploration, you'll see how Zillow Offers leads the charge in transforming real estate transactions, making it the top choice for those seeking efficiency and innovation in their property dealings. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the top 7 AI-powered investments for 2025 that can unlock passive income opportunities. We began with Seed Invest at number 7, highlighting its curated startup investments, followed by 3 at number 6, known for its versatile trading tools. Johnson & Johnson secured the 5th spot with its reliable dividends and diverse portfolio, while AeroFarms took number 4 for its innovative vertical farming solutions. Upstart ranked 3rd, revolutionizing peer-to-peer lending with AI-driven assessments, and Betterment claimed the second position for its goal-based automated investing strategies. Finally, Zillow Offers emerged as the top choice, transforming real estate transactions with its instant cash offers and extensive market insights. These AI-powered investments not only promise potential returns, but also leverage cutting-edge technology to enhance your financial journey. We encourage you to dive deeper into these platforms and consider how they can fit into your investment strategy. As we move on in 2025, embracing these innovations could be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Take action today and explore the future of passive income.